definitely undertaking me, BMW.
Stop your braking distance.
Stupid, that, isn't it? You can see that we're in the line of cars coming up to.
Yeah.
Just because I got in between his mate and him. Okay, so there's a lot to go through in this clip, so bear with me. One, take note of a huge gap behind that the red car could have gone into if they were planning ahead, but they don't. They have to overtake me. We're coming up to a lot of slow cars who are taking the exit. But the red car wants the exit as well, so guess what? They have to squeeze in the small gap when people are braking to take the exit, which pissed off the car behind this one here. And, you know, I move over to let them vote through.
Going in on It didn't affect him at all.
Exactly.
Why did he put his brakes on? Because he didn't like you came close to his car?
Because he didn't like that. I slowed his movement down by about 10 milliseconds. And now we're watching this biker who's filtering at 70 miles an hour. That is not filtering. That's just being an idiot. And now we're back with the person who had a big old flap. How far did it get you? How far did it get you?
Don't do any hand movement.
How far did it get you, mate? How far did it get you?
He would have gone right into there.
Yeah, exactly.
It didn't get him far at all.
Good indicator, well done. Left lane to turn all the way right on a roundabout. And then you put on the left indicator to move over to the right lane, and then you don't use the left indicator to move over to the left lane. Well done. What a fucking dickhead. Jesus Christ, the entitlement. Fuck everyone else around, you know, I'm gonna just weave in and out.
In 1,000 feet. At the roundabout, take the second exit. Take the second exit onto A1321 East Broadman.
All you do is force me to brake earlier. All for you getting one car ahead.
Out in front of me and then
he just goes through the red light.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's going all like that after the lights. I was like, oh, the entitlement. So I still.
I can't reverse. I'm here. she was gonna like reverse into me.
Yeah, don't walk out when you can't see the traffic coming like that. Why are some people just incredibly lazy? Like this car here. No intention whatsoever of going round the roundabout. And as usual on this channel, we have people who cannot understand the concept of planning ahead. So, not looking at this car, but the black car behind in lane 2. You see the huge gap in lane 1 behind us. They want this lane, but they have to get in front, or they just don't know where the hell they're going.
You know, someone would fucking brakes because you don't fucking know where you're going without indication. Speeding and fucking 40 miles an hour is not what you do just to get one car in front.
Why are people so impatient that they must undertake on the exit of a roundabout? So both of these lanes will go to the next left, but they have to get into that lane to sneak ahead for one car. And now we have a BMW doing BMW things. So you can see here we've got a blue BMW diving from a long way back in lane 1 into lane 2 to try and get ahead with a merging turn. Surprised they didn't try and overtake us as well.